What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. We're going to be installing our new ikon diffuser. We're going to be taking the stock one off, and the new one is going to be really aggressive. And it's got a different design than what everybody's using, which is just a straight straight look. This one has like some fins on it. But yeah, let's get installed. This should be pretty easy. You can see it has some of these clips all the way around, a couple screws in there, and then it should pop right off. You gotta pull it gently in. Do the same thing when you install the other one. So guys, I didn't record how easily the old one came out, but the new one, you pretty much put it in place. You got all the clips that line up, get it to where it goes, and gently start putting that in place. Everything click in, and just like that. I'm gonna leave you guys for a second until I finish putting this up, and then I'll move into putting all the clips and the screws back on. Look how perfect and neat that is. This is so nice. So that is it, guys. Ikon diffuser install. I got it off of Amazon. That thing, but the better picture comes on from the sides. You can see those aggressive things right there. Just look how pretty. But good. I like it. You make those 5-inch sticks look pretty. Yeah, that was it, guys. Don't forget, go ahead and like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.